Hey guys, what's up? Today's video, I'm going to show you Skullbasher keychain. Enjoy! So, guys, we're going to paint Skullbasher keychain. So first, let's do the primer, and then that time is I did first coating gold acrylic paint, and then that one I painted intense purple using paintbrush. And then next one I paint the handle. That's it. So if you're interested of having a keychain weapon Dota 2, PM me.